Okay, man.
Okay. Okay, good morning or good afternoon, everybody. So today, for social studies, we're going to do a review of goods and services. So we have a lot of pages to go over, but just follow along, and then the next video, we're going to have a test, okay? So do you remember, what are goods? Goods are things you can touch, like we have, what do we have here? We have a cup, that's a goods. We have a toothbrush, that's a goods. So remember, goods are tangible, things we can touch, like clothes, your TV, or your desk, your pencil, your paper, your backpack. Anything you can touch is a goods. So what is a service? A service is something someone does for you. If you go to the doctor, that's a service. If you get a haircut, that's a service. And a teacher teaches you, that's a service. So a service is something someone does for you. Okay? Now we'll go to page 37. So go to page 37. So we have goods and services that are received without being paid for. So this is, you don't use money. If I give someone a gift for their birthday, that is a goods or a service that I gave them. They didn't have to pay money. I gave it to them, okay? If you go to the market and you trade someone your eggs for apples, you traded goods. You didn't use money. You traded them. So we have goods and services received from the other people for free or as a present by exchanging goods. We traded. We exchanged the goods. So if we look here, now we have goods and services that are received by using money. So this is, you have to buy the goods and services. If I want to eat lunch, I have to use my money to buy it, right? So we have here, people need to, only goods, but also convenience stores. So if I go to 7-Eleven, I have to use money to buy things in 7-Eleven. So if I go to the doctor, such as paying to doctor for medical treatment. So you have to pay for the doctor to do a service for you. So there's two kinds of goods and services. One, you don't use money, and the second, you have to use money to pay for it, okay? Now, we'll go to page 39. So you go to page 39. You see here? 39. So you have goods and services. Now, how do you use them so they last a long time? Okay? So if you have a car, you want to take care of the car. You want to clean it. You want to make sure there's oil or gas. There's no broken parts, so you can use the car for many years. So you want to take care of your goods. So we go here, personal items. These are things that you have your backpack, your pencils, your phone, these are all personal items. So we have to know how to use things properly. How do we use them so we can use them for a long time? Okay? So for example, we should use both sides of a piece of paper. So we have the piece of paper, we can use both sides. Okay? And another example, we should not damage things in the public. If you go to the park, you don't want to break things that other people have to use, like the bench or the chairs at school. You don't break them because other people need to use them. So we take care of our goods, okay? Let's go to page, let's see here, page 40. So we turn the page in your book. And go to page 41. You see? Page 41. Why do we use goods and services? You remember? To make life easier. So if we don't have a car that's a goods, if we don't have one, we have to walk to school, to work, to the store. But if you have a car or a motorbike, this makes life easy. Now you can drive to school, to the store, okay, or home. And then remember, we did 3 examples of goods: phone, computer, car. 3 examples of services. We have Food Panda, a doctor, and Big C. Remember, goods, things we can touch and use. Services, people do things for you. Food Panda, the driver, he brings you the food. The doctor, he checks your health. Big C, you go there to find all the groceries you need. Okay? Name some goods and services that we can get without using money. Remember, we don't have to use money for these. So if you get a birthday gift, you didn't pay for that. If you get a Christmas present, you didn't pay for it. Someone gave it to you. Name a product and explain how to use it properly. So, TV. How do you use the TV? We watch your favorite TV shows. Okay, you don't hit the TV, you don't shake the TV. You use the TV to watch things. And if we take care of our goods, we can reuse them for a long time. If we take care of the phone, the car, the TV, the computer, if we take care of it, we can use it for many years, okay? Now turn to page 43. Do you remember we talked about saving money? What does that mean? It means putting something away for the future use. Why do we save money? So we can buy things that we want. So we will buy and store some rice for the future. So that's another example of savings. We can save money and we can save things. So let's see here. We're going to talk about how to save money now. Let's go to page 44. On page 44, how can we save money? We can put money in a piggy bank. Remember? We can put some money in there. Every day we save money. Or if you have a bank account, you go to the bank and we put the money in the bank, okay? So we keep our money in a savings account at the bank. Okay, so go to page 49. Page 49, right here, page 49. Okay, so when we have money, we don't want to spend all of our money. We want to limit how much money we spend. Okay, so if I have 50 baht and I see that food costs 50 baht, I spend it, I have no more money now. But I can find something that costs less. If I have 50 baht and I go to the market, I find something for 30 baht. I pay for it. Now I have 20 baht left over. So I don't use all my money. I save some money so I can use it for the future. Okay? So limit overspending. Don't spend all your money. This is okay? And the benefit, if you overspend, you don't have money. But if you save your money, you have money for the next day or for the future when you need it, okay? So, limit overspending. Spending less money than we receive, okay? And overspending, this means you spend more money than what you receive. I have 50 baht and I buy something for 50 baht, I overspend because I have no money left. But if I have 50 baht and I buy something for 30 baht, I have 20 baht left over. So I save 20 baht, okay? Go to page 53. Page 53. So we have two ways we can work. Work for money. Doing work to receive money. Example, a farmer receives money by selling the rice, or maybe he sells the eggs, or maybe he sells the meat or the milk. So he receives money for the work he does, okay? So working for money. The doctor, he works, he helps the patient, but he gets paid money. The teacher teaches, and they get paid money. That's one way, working for money. But what about the other way? Working for love. This, you do not get paid money. You do it because you love your family, your friends, okay? So doing work for which no money will be received. We do not get paid. An example, your mother, she cooks you dinner because she loves you. You don't pay your mom money to make you food. She does it because she loves you. Or, let's say you help your mom clean the house. You don't get paid, but you do it because you love your mom and your family. So we have two ways. Working for money and working for love. Now go to page 55. Page 55, right here. Now, why do we work? We have to work in order to earn money so we can pay for our goods, our services, or we can pay for the water and electricity at home, pay for food. Okay, so you have to work to earn money. Your mom, your dad, they work to earn money. So you can have a house, so you can have a TV, so you can have a computer, so you can have food, water, electric to use at the home. So we have to work for money. And what are the benefits? Why is it good to work? The benefits to the family: we provide money for the family. We provide better quality and happy lives for the family. And for society, benefits to society: we produce goods and services for members of society. We make a stable income for the economy in the country, and enables society to progress. Okay, so go through all the pages that we talked about, because in the next video is going to be the test of all of this. Okay? Thank you.